So in this video, we just got back from the dealership because I had a problem with my CVO.
Oh yeah, baby! It's on! Yeah! Let's get it, baby!
Okay, so what happened with my 2023.5 CVO that I have built up for Sturgis? What went wrong with this? We already did the paint job, the wheel, suspension, the engine work, everything, but yet something was wrong. Well, I'm gonna tell you, nothing's wrong with the engine, nothing's wrong with the tire, suspension, and nothing's wrong with the paint job. Nothing's wrong with the Arlen's risers or anything. The problem I had is that the only thing that's stock in this motorcycle, which is my sound system, my speakers stopped working. And it happened when I got in between Daytona and when I went to Arizona Bike Week, before we did all of this, when it was still in its original platinum gray color. And I couldn't figure it out. So we were taking the fuse out, putting it back in, and all that jazz, and just nothing was working. So, you know, obviously we've been between Jace's and Miami and back and forth. I hadn't had a chance to take it to the dealership to look at it, because what I was gonna do is I was just gonna go buy an amplifier or something and go and replace it. But let me back up and tell you why I say an amplifier. Well, what happened is on the left side here, when you take the left side cover next to the seat here, you have your fuse box. Well, the guys over at All American noticed that my 30 amp fuse was blown, which is what connects on the CVOs, and I think the rest of the models, to your amplifying or sound system. So they're like, easy fix. They took out the 30 amp fuse, they plugged in the other 30 amp fuse. As soon as it plugged in, poof, it blew. So obviously there's something wrong with the sound system. Well, I called the dealership here, the Woodland. So right away, a big shout out to Pedro, a big shout out to Nelson, and a big shout out to Brad over there at the Woodlands Harley-Davidson. And of course, my guy Kevin, if you guys are looking for a motorcycle, hit them up. But the service that I received at the service department was excellent. So I just want to thank them because they did an excellent job with this. I was in and out in terms of dealership time periods because the software had to get updated. Okay, I'm kind of rambling here, but let me tell you what happened. So the fuse kept blowing out, but the volume control here was going up, going down. My Bluetooth's connecting, my Apple CarPlay's connecting, everything's connected, except no sound is coming from these darn speakers. Well, I talked to some of my friends that have the same model, and they told me they had the same issue. I also went online and read forums and stuff like that and try to find YouTube videos. So ultimately, it comes down to a couple of things. One, the software is outdated, I guess, on the infotainment system and on the amp somehow blew. But that's kind of a common theme with these, I guess, first gen, third gen Road Glide designs. So naturally, I made the appointment. Nelson got me in, they diagnosed it, they updated the software first. That's the first thing they had to do, which is amazing because I hadn't done the software update on this one. And they ultimately found out that it was the amp that had been blown. So they replaced the amp, they took all this stuff off. And mind you, I was pretty nervous having this come off and then put back on by somebody else. But Pedro, he did an amazing job. So thank you again. But yeah, they replaced the amp, I guess did whatever software on the amp, and now my sound system works. So that was the reason why I took this motorcycle to the dealership, because the only thing under warranty right now is the electrical system and the sound system, or the sound system, electrical system, along with the infotainment system. Oh, a lot of different things with these motorcycles, but now I feel good. Motorcycle's here, it's whole. And I wanted to share this video with you guys because in case you guys have the same model, or maybe even the regular Road Glides or Street Glides, and you run into this issue, check your 30 amp fuse. That might be the issue. If you try to put it back in and it blows, that's probably the reason why your sound system is not working. But I still have a question. If the only thing that's stock on the motorcycle is my sound system, should I also update the sound system? But I don't know, because since I've been riding without a sound system, I know it's horrible, right? This sound of this All-American engine, 153, I was turning off the sound system once I actually got it to work. So anyhow, big thank you to the Woodlands over there. Big thank you to Nelson, to Pedro, and my boy Brad. This was covered under warranty, so I'm super happy because I saved around $500-600. So subscribe and like, because on the next video or a couple of videos after this video, we're gonna have a whole new look. You're gonna wanna watch it, and it is gonna be a nice one.